In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write perfect emails with Grammarly AI. We'll turn a rough draft into a polished message while keeping your natural voice. Open your browser and head to Grammarly's web app. Once you're in, we'll work inside Docs, Grammarly's focused writing space that keeps everything tidy and gives you access to built-in AI where you write. Click Docs on the left sidebar to open your workspace. You'll see options to start from scratch or bring in existing text. Choose New Doc for a clean slate. Upload is handy if you've already drafted an email elsewhere, but we'll start fresh so you can see the full flow. At the top, give your document a clear title. A quick specific label, ideally the subject you plan to use, makes it easier to find later and helps you stay centered on your main point as you write. Now move into the body of the document and write the email in your own words. You can paste text you already have or draft it here. Aim for a concise opener, a short paragraph with the context, a direct request or next step, and a friendly close. Don't worry about perfection, just get your thoughts down so the AI has something real to refine. When your draft is in place, look to the right side of the screen for AI chat and click it to open the panel. This is where you can ask Grammarly to analyze and transform your writing without leaving the page. Inside the panel, click Ask AI to start a new prompt. Prompts are short instructions that tell the AI exactly what you want it to do. In the prompt field, type, "Improve this email but keep my tone." That phrase tells Grammarly to strengthen clarity, flow, and professionalism while preserving your voice. If you care about being concise or friendly, you can add that in the same line so your intent is unmistakable. Submit your prompt by clicking the button or pressing enter and watch the suggestions appear. Read the revision, compare it with your draft, and keep the parts that fit. You're still the author. Use the AI as a smart editor that tightens language, fixes errors, and surfaces a clearer structure. With that, you've turned a rough draft into a confident, polished email using Grammarly AI. Save your document and you're ready to send.